Hi friends, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Shivanand. The previous video I explained how to circuit design for meter board to DP and DP to switchboard and switchboard to electrical points. This is the part of to electrical design. This is the switchboard, this is the electrical points, and this is the energy meter board, and this is the DB. And already I explained in part of to electrical design, circuit design for uh, switchboard to electrical points and DB to switchboard and energy meter board to DB. Okay friends, and next in this video I explained this is the part of electrical design, typical electrical point in mounting height. Okay friends, let's go to drawing. This is the typical electrical point in mounting height. This is the very important part doing a home wiring. Okay friends, the height is very important for doing a circuit design. Okay friends, let's start. This is the main entry door. This is the main entry door. I will show the drawing. This is the main entry door. Okay friends, whatever here, bell push and video door phone. Bell push and video door phone. This video door phone has a work as a bell push and video recorder. Okay, I will show the drawing in YouTube. This is the video door phone.
When someone rings a doorbell. Oh, nice.
This is the video door monitor. Okay friends, this is the video door monitor. This is the video door monitor. Okay friends, this is the
large 7-inch color.
this is the video door
Overall, I
phone
really like
as
this
a working like a
Wi-Fi
bell
door
push
pump system.
and
With a
recorder.
large 7-inch color LCD
This is the video door
display,
monitor. Okay,
you're able to quickly see the person at the door. You can use the intercom to talk to the person without opening your door. This device will also notify you via the app
Okay.
when someone rings.
this is the height 3 feet 6 inch from floor level. Bell push and video door phone. And next go to living and dining. This is the distribution board. I will show drawing. This is the distribution board. This is the height from floor level 7 feet. We take 7 feet height. Okay. And next go to control box. Control box, I will show the model 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 model control box. This is the height from floor level 4 feet. And one more in living hall, TV socket 10 ampere 5 pin socket with switch for TV. I will tell you model 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 model 10 ampere 5 pin socket with switch for TV and one model for TV socket. This is the floor level height from floor level 2 feet 4 inch. I will show the drawing. This is the TV socket. This is the floor level, height from floor level 2 feet 4 inch. And next is wall mounted light fixture. This is the wall mount lighted fixture. This is the height 7 feet 6 inch from floor level. 7 feet 4 inch height. Okay, and next telephone socket and 10 ampere 5 pin socket with switch. This is the 3 model for 10 ampere 5 pin socket with switch and one model for telephone socket. This is the height from 2 feet 4 inch from floor level. This is the telephone and socket. And in living hall, I take AC socket and AC switch. This is the AC switch and AC socket. Okay, this is the floor. This is height from floor level 3 feet 4 inch, 20 amps 5 in 20 amps SP a switch with inductor for AC. This is height from 3 feet 4 inch. This is the AC switch and socket. We have to take from floor level 8 feet 6 per 16 amps 3 pins combined soldered socket outlet for AC unit. This is the socket. This is the AC socket. Okay, this is height from floor level 8 feet. Living and dining is completed and must go to bedroom. This is the bedroom. Okay, this is the bedroom and this is the 6 ampere two-way switch. I will show the drawing. This is the 6 ampere two-way switch. Okay. This is the distance from bedroom entry door 6 inch. This is the height from floor level 3 feet 6 inch. Okay. And next, this is the one model. And next, bedside socket. This socket is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 model switchboard for 6 ampere two-way switch, 6 ampere one-way switch for fan regulator. Okay, this is the one model for telephone socket. This is height from floor level 2 feet 4 inch. This is height from floor level 2 feet 4 inch. 6 ampere two-way switch and 6 ampere one-way switch for fan regulator. This switch is controlled by this light. This light controlled by this switch and this switch. Already explained in the previous video. Okay. This is the bed. Okay. And next, this is the 10 ampere pipe-in socket with switch. This is the 3 model. 1 2 3 model switch box. This is the 10 ampere pipe-in socket with switch. This is height from floor level 2 feet 4 inch. And again AC. This is the AC switch 3 feet 4 inch from height from floor level. Okay. 20% SP switch with inductor for AC. This is the AC switch. And again AC unit. This is the height from floor level 8 feet, 6 per 16 amps, 3 pin combined sorted socket, outlet for AC unit. This is the AC. Okay, this is the AC socket. And next go to toilet entry door. Okay, this is the toilet entry door. I already take switch, geyser switch and one-way switch, light controller, one switch for exhaust fan. Okay, this is the geyser switch. This is the distance from toilet entry door 6 inch. This is the geyser switch, 20 amps DP switch with indicator or geyser. This is the geyser switch. And two switches are controlled. 6 ampere one-way switch. This is the 6 ampere one-way switch, and one more switch is controlled exhaust fan. Okay, and near the toilet, this is the mirror light. Okay, I'll explain switch model 1 2 3 4 5 model switch box, 10 ampere pipe-in socket with switch. This is the switch sockets are used for saving as a trimmer. Okay, as your requirement. And 6 ampere one-way switch for mirror light. This is the one switch controlled by. This is the mirror light. And one more, 8 feet 8 inch from height level from floor level. This is the 6 bar 16 amps 6 pin combined sorted socket outlet for geyser. This is the 6 bar 16 amps socket. This is the geyser. Okay, water heater geyser. Okay, this is the height from 8 feet 8 inch. One more, ventilator exhaust fan. This is the exhaust fan. This is the height from floor level 6 feet 3.5 inch. This is the distance from 3 feet inch. And this is the socket, 10 amps pipe-in socket for exhaust fan. Okay, now toilet is completed. And next go to kitchen counter. This is the kitchen counter. Okay, 1 feet 4 inch, 10 amps pipe-in socket for instant geyser. This is the two model instant geyser. This is the instant geyser. Okay, 10 amps pipe-in socket for instant geyser. And next, this is the two model 16 amps pipe-in socket for chimney. This is the height from floor level 7 feet. This is the chimney. Okay, And next 1 feet 4 half 2 inch 6 ampere 1-way switch for chimney and hob. This is socket for chimney. This is the control switch. Okay, 1-way switch for chimney and hob, 6 ampere chimney and hob. Okay, and next is the 1 feet 4 half 2 inch. This is the 6 bar 16 amps 6 pin combined circuit socket outlet with 16 amps SP switch with inductor for micro oven. This is the micro oven. Okay, this is the height from counter 1 feet 4 inch. This is the floor level from 4 feet 0 half 2 inch. This is the 6 bar 16 amp 6 pin combined circuit socket with outlet with 16 amps SP switch with inductor for mixer and grinder. Okay, this is height from floor level 4 feet half 2 inch. And next AquaGuard. This is the AquaGuard. Okay, this is the height from floor level 6 feet 10 amps 5 pin socket with switch for AquaGuard. This is the 3 model, 1 to 3 model switch box. This is also 3 model. This is also 3 model. Okay, and next go to this is also 3 model refrigerator. This is the height from floor level 5 feet 6 bar 16 amps 6 pin socket with switch for double door refrigerator. Okay, this is the refrigerator switch. I taken dining. Okay, dining room. And this is the kitchen counter is completed. Next go to utility. This is the utility. Okay, this is the utility. In the utility we are putting washing machine and one more dishwasher. Okay, washing machine height the floor level from 4 feet. This is the 3 model 1 and 2 3 model 6 bar 16 amp 6 pin combined circuit socket outlet with 16 amps SP switch with inductor for washing machine. This is the washing machine socket. And one more 4 feet height. This is also 3 model 6 bar 16 amp 6 pin combined circuit socket outlet with 16 amps SP switch with indicator for dishwasher. This is dishwasher socket. Okay, this is totally suggested electrical fixture mounting height. This is a very important part. Typical electrical point mounting height. We are doing a home wiring. This is the heights are very important. This is the standard. Okay, one more here note. At a bedside minimum 6 feet 3 inch clearance shall be maintained between switch boxes. This is the cord. Here distance 6 feet 3 inch. Here switchboard and switchboard distance 6 feet 3 inch and 150 mm spacing shall be provided between wall edge and switch box, door frame and switch box. And next point, switch boxes shall not be provided behind the door. Not provided behind the door. Okay, switch boxes are not behind the door. Okay, and one more, no conduit shall be laid in toilet area. Okay, this toilet area, no conduit shall be laid in toilet area. Okay, this is the very important part. We are doing electrical wiring in home. This is the standard. Okay friends, you got it. Okay, this is the part of 3 electrical design, and next video I explained DB details and single diagram. This is the part of 4. Okay, sorry, part of 4, part of 1. Okay, DB details and single diagram. This is the part of 4, and next video I explained DB details and single diagram. Okay friends, thank you so much, and please like and share, subscribe. Thank you. Okay friends, thank you.